If you are vegan or you simply don't want to eat meat, you should know how to say I don't eat meat in Korean. Let's get started. 안녕하세요. I'm Julian Kim, a certified Korean teacher. Today, I'm going to explore the use of an in Korean. Word of the day, an. An. To express don't in Korean, simply add the word an before the verb. For example, the verb 먹다, 먹다, to eat. However, this is its dictionary form. We don't use it in this form in real life conversations. Instead, we should add verb ending. Let's start with 어요, 아요 ending. 먹어요, 먹어요, 먹어요 means I eat. This form indicates polite speech because of the 요. Now, let's put 안 in front of 먹어요. 안 먹어요. 안 먹어요. Correct. It means I don't eat. You might ask, I don't eat what? The word for meat is 고기. 고기. 고, 오, 기, 기. 고기. We add 을 or 를 after a noun to indicate a direct object. 고기 becomes 고기를, 고기를. Can you put all the words into a sentence? 고기를 안 먹어요. 고기를 안 먹어요. 고기를 안 먹어요. But where's the subject? Why it's common to omit the subject in Korean? If you want to form a complete sentence, just add 저는, 저는. 저 is a polite way to say I. So the sentence becomes 저는 고기를 안 먹어요. 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 Let's learn some variations. I don't eat beef. 저는 소고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 소고기를 안 먹어요. I don't eat pork. 저는 돼지고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 돼지고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 돼지고기를 안 먹어요. I don't eat chicken. 저는 닭고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 닭고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 닭고기를 안 먹어요. I don't eat dairy product. 저는 유제품을 안 먹어요. 저는 유제품을 안 먹어요. 저는 유제품을 안 먹어요. I don't eat vegetables. 저는 야채를 안 먹어요. 저는 야채를 안 먹어요. 저는 야채를 안 먹어요. Did you enjoy this video? I want to teach you the real life expressions and Korean sentence structures too. If you like this video, let me know comment below. Keep practicing and happy learning!